Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be going over hand and finger dexterity. Ooh, ooh. So there are some simple steps that we need to do as wig makers and ventilators and hairstylists to keep our fingers totally limber, ready, and we all know arthritis bound. So we might as well make the best of it while we're doing it. So there are a couple key steps that you can do on the regular, and it also can release some stress at some point too. So obviously our hands is what our money makers are, right? We always work with them. We want them to always be great and wonderful and to not hurt, especially if we're ventilating. Holy cow, I know my hands. So the first one is to make a real fist, like a tight fist, and then let go. A tight fist, and then let go. So do this like 5 times for each one. It'll be great. We'll do it together. If you want, you can punch someone with it too. It might help. And the next one is going to be the claw grab. So you're going to tuck, and you're just going to be using the tops of your fingers, and you're gonna just tuck and pull. Tuck and pull. If you can see from each way, it can look great for you. So you want to keep the top of your hand and then tuck. Tuck. Don't forget the other hand. You gotta do both hands, unless you only have one hand. We'll keep doing it. Here's a great one. It is going to be taking your ring finger and this and make an O. Stretch it out. So I'm putting the finger behind my thumb and I'm stretching it out. That's stretch your fingers out. Yeah, I know. I'm already sweating, guys. It's gonna be great. We got this together. So do that for 10 more seconds. So now we're going to do our finger walking. So this one, I can't do it totally, but you kind of want to go one finger over at a time. So we'll go back that way. Yeah. So I would just pull your fingers because you want them to go both ways. So I can do that. Hi. But then it's bringing, together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we'll do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring them back together. Or just open your hand, pull them. Oh, close. Oh, close. But I think it's more about keeping the dexterity so that you can keep them, because especially if we're pinching so much with our hands and we're using a comb and we're all that squeezing. So you want to keep them nice and limber. Another great one for us is that thumb stretch. So you want it to come all the way over. You're actually gonna feel it down your arm, which is really great. So you're gonna wanna stretch that out. Open it up, stretch that out, both sides. Yeah, one side is definitely tighter than the other. Wow, but you can do it together too. And these are great little things you can do during the day, in between clients, in between takes. You never know when you can do it. It'll be awesome. So just stretch it out. So this is just like stretching your body. Oh wait, it is your body. Stretch! And now another great one. You're gonna hold your hand out and you're gonna come bend that finger in, but you want it to just be at that knuckle. So you're gonna keep all your fingers together and just bend. Bend, ooh, not even helpful. Bend, 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 and trying to keep it nice and together. Let's see. So just finger dexterity. Get to know them. You're gonna be using them a lot. Okay, the next one is a stretch ball. So you can use whatever kind of stress you want. I have a stress pear. Yes, this was given as a gift. Stress pear. So what you're going to do is, first things first, is you're going to hold it and you're gonna squeeze. Hold it and squeeze. You really wanna, is this helpful at all? And squeeze. So you really want to give that extra tension. Squeeze and squeeze and squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, Squeeze. All hands, just the finger. All hands, just the pointer finger. All hands, just the pointer finger. I can't believe I'm doing an exercise routine for you all. Just to let you know that. Squeeze and pull the finger. And do it on both sides. Make sure you do it on both sides. Yeah, this side is a little bit more tough. Oh, maybe just a little. You can use a tennis ball. You can use, truthfully, anything. You can use your husband's head, your boyfriend's head, girlfriend's head, her hand, and squeeze it. Yeah. And then the next one will be putting in the palm of your hand and squeezing down. Squeezing down. This is going to help with our wrists and keep them nice and strong. And once again, I do not promote violence, but this is really gonna be great if you ever get into an altercation. So just keep squeezing, about 10 times each. Awesome. Last one, here it is. So you're gonna try to keep your hand as flat as possible. If you can't do it, which I think most of you can't, you're gonna be lifting up the finger. Lifting up the finger. You wanna keep your hand as flat as possible as you lift that finger up to the sky. High, low, high, and then low, high. Keep your hand straight, move your finger. Because once again, these are the fingers that really do get used a lot, especially for ventilating. These are the twisting motions. So you just want to keep your hand as flat as possible. And you want, just like the scissors, as you're holding the scissors, you know, you keep the bottom scissors and keep the top moving. Same thing. So you want to keep that finger very mobile. So you can go up and then down and then down and then up. It's great, right? It's awesome. Guys, come on. We're gonna have great hand dexterities and mobility forever, because these are our money makers. So make sure you subscribe and look at my other fun, crazy things that I do, because you know, we are just expanding and growing here at Daniel Koye Education. So make sure, if you have not went to danielkoyeeducation.com to get your copies of the book, because whoa, there's so much information in them. And make sure you check out to see if there's any new Weiner wigs coming up. Those can definitely help you out. And also, I'm there so you can ask a question, ask away. But make sure you sign up and subscribe today. So press the bell, please. Ding, 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 ding. So you can get some more crazy videos like this. You and me are gonna be on it for the long haul. So let's haul our ways to making some money.